Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Let's talk about the essentials to exist outside of the spiritual. Okay, when you're in the physical and you're in a traumatic situation, the first thing you stop the bleeding. The second thing you stop the infection. Then it's water, then it's food, then it's shelter. Inshallah, MATW are providing these things to the people of Gaza on a daily basis. Alhamdulillah, with the family emergency bundle. Okay, this is a bundle that gives them the medical supplies, fresh drinking water, food, and a tent and places to live in. Inshallah, with your du'as and your support, this has been possible so far, but they can't continue to do it without you continuing those du'as and those donations, inshallah ta'ala. Brothers and sisters, please, this is keeping these people alive. They're just existence, and existence is still resistance for the people of Gaza. Brothers and sisters, please get the link in the bio and please donate. You can share it with your family, you can share it with your work colleagues, you can share it with friends, you can share it with people down the masjid. But please get to the link, please donate something, and please give the people of Gaza the basics to exist. May Allah continue to bless you with the best of this life and the next life. I love you all for the sake of Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.